Hello, what's up guys? I hope everybody is well. Today I have one Hyundai Santafe and this car have a problem, horn not working. So today I will show you what is the this horn location and what is the problem actually. Okay. So first I check horn fuse, which is this one 15 number, and I check relay. You can see when I press there, see working. This one working sound. That means here everything is perfect. Horn damaged. So horn location, you can see this is front bumper. You have to remove this front bumper, and here inside, see, here is the horn, this one. Okay, so I remove already. So this horn damage, we have to replace a new horn. Okay, thank you. So you can see here now horn working. Okay, thank you.